Hey, how's it going, everybody? I just spent 2 days building automations for my car detailing client, and I'm super proud of how they turned out. And they're already booking clients as we speak with AI messages and also with the booking page that we all built on GoHighLevel. This system makes sure that everybody that signs on to our actual Facebook ads gets booked in without our client having to lift a finger on his end. This entire setup will be put together on GoHighLevel. You guys can actually get a 14-day free trial in the description. So we're gonna start from the basics, guys. I am on my client's subdomain right here. As you can see, it says Matrix Detailing. He's also based in Winnipeg. We're gonna go over here to settings, and then we're gonna check out phone system. And then guys, you have to go to the Trust Center. You have to apply for A2P messaging. Emails you can do automatically. You can also build the system with emails, but make sure you apply for A2P. You get completely verified so you can actually send messages. Once you're verified on A2P, you can come over to phone numbers. You can click add a phone number, and then you can search for a phone number. It's like $1.15. It took me like 10 minutes of refreshing just to find the perfect area code. So it's actually really cool how well personalized and tailored this is. You would literally think that this is a person texting you. I think this guy actually thought he was talking to a real person. It said, hey Jason, his last name's MB. It's Matrix Detailing. Still interested in getting your car detailed? Yes, but was curious about pricing. And then it says here, got it. Prices start at $60 for a basic interior. Look how good this answer is, guys. Come on. This literally looks like a human just texted him. But look, it's our actual AI. It's our AI. It's his name's Matt. It's on autopilot, so we don't have to do a thing. And there's a crazy long, huge prompt. But he said sure and location. Okay, cool. I didn't actually put the location in yet, the AI, but it gave him a quick rundown. I'm out of town right now, but I will be back. Contact you about which package of the date. No worries at all. And then it just follows up. But here's one of the best conversations that we have in the last, this was actually today. What's included with the basic, intermediate, premium, and then it talks about exactly his pricing, whatever. It literally answers questions exactly how a car detailer owner would answer it. But it's a sure thing. Here's a quick breakdown. Honda Accord. It knows everything. It's all in the prompt. Intermediate, and then he said yes, because it said I can send you the booking details. It said perfect, you can book directly through our link. It only takes a minute, and then boom, this is the actual booking page that I built for them on GoHighLevel. Right here, you can see that this is actually ChatGPT 4. Okay, so we're literally using ChatGPT to reply to our customers. This is a kind of new thing in GHL. I don't think it's been around for too long. But right here, you can actually see everything that we have. So we'll go to the first one and we'll go to bot settings. So the bot name is Matt. We have it on autopilot, so the bot automatically responds whenever we want it to. And the bot actually replies to SMS, Instagram, Facebook, and chat widget, okay? And then you go down here to advanced settings and you can fine tune your bot's behavior. Business name, put it as your business. Wait time before responding, 1 second. We literally want this AI to respond like this, like literally instantly. We want it to be like a real conversation. I might make it 2 seconds. I feel like 1 second's a bit too quick. But maximum messages before the bot can send in a conversation, 25. 25 is the max. Make sure you guys set this to 25 and then turn both of these on. I think this is also pretty new. The AI can respond to images and voice notes. So now we're going to come over to bot training. For the knowledge base, this is a whole new video in itself. But basically, you're going to be able to build this knowledge base over time. And then you come over here to bot goals, and this is where the gold mine is at. So as you can see right here, it says open ChatGPT 4.1. We get about, this is the rate, so it's about 0.01 cent per message. And then we're going to come down to personality and talk about the prompt. So for the prompt, you can keep it simple. You are Matt, a friendly, real-sounding assistant for Matrix Detailing, a professional car detailing shop based in Winnipeg, Manitoba. You represent Ashton and the team. For the goal, we put down your main goal is to chat naturally with customers who filled out our form, help them book a detailing appointment on our booking page. that is the main goal. Help them book a appointment. That's all we want them to do. And then you're going to be able to see here additional information. I have a super huge prompt. So right here, you actually can see the prompt guidelines for GoHighLevel. Go ahead and just copy this entire prompt guideline. And then we're going to actually go over to ChatGPT. We're going to put, hey, I'm making a prompt for GoHighLevel. Here's its rules. Boom. We're going to put all the rules there so it matches the prompt perfectly. My company's name is Matrix Detailing and we do cars. Definitely tell AI as much as it needs to know. Here, the main goal is to book on our booking page. And boom, guys, look at that. We have an entire prompt for this AI just printing as we speak. But yeah, make sure to have a really super good prompt for the additional information part of the thing. And then this is where things get super interesting. Human handover is the first one I have on. So this is when a human is requested. Somebody says, I want to talk to the manager. I want to speak to a human. Can I speak to Ashton? Boom, it's going to actually give Ashton a text message and tell him like, AI couldn't handle this person, right? AI didn't know what to do, and it's going to tell Ashton to take over. And then, sure, I'm transferring to Ashton, reactivate the bot after 10 minutes. So after Ashton, after it actually gets transferred to Ashton, I'm actually going to change this to an hour. I want it to reactivate in an hour. And I also made a custom tag. It's called human handover just for our actual workflow. But I'm going to say, boom. And then right here, we have a lack of information. It's going to transfer to Ashton as well. I'm going to change this to 1 hour also. And then failed to resolve the issue, transfer as well. After that, you can go to auto follow-up. And then this is where things get really interesting. You can create an infinite follow-up system with the right workflow. But I don't like bothering people that much, so I don't think I'm going to do that for this client, right? But contact stopped replying. So if a contact doesn't reply to the first message that's automatically sent out, it's actually going to send out another message after an hour, then another message after a day, and then another message after about the weekend, and then 10 days later, it's going to send another message. And then here you can see if the contact is busy, it's going to follow up, let's just say 2 days, like the weekend. And then the coolest one is contact requested. So basically contact requested is like, let's just say the person's like, hey, can you text me back on June 3rd at 11:05 p.m. The AI is literally going to wait to June 3rd at 11:05 p.m. and then text them. It's going to follow up with them. You can see let AI send the message on contact requested time. So on the right here, I'm actually going to test out the bot myself. Guys, definitely test out your bot a lot. Try to, pick its brain, see if it doesn't know anything. I'm not going to lie. Me, all I care about is the price. Hey, how much for a Honda Civic interior? How much for a Honda Civic interior? Let's see what it says. It's going to take a little bit. Got it. For a Honda Civic interior, detailing starts at $60. For a basic clean, $150. For intermediate, $325. For premium. So guys, that was just the new conversation AI. I'm glad you got to get a look at how it works, but now we're going to talk about the actual automation. For the actual workflow, we're going to start off on the trigger. The trigger is opportunity changed. Workflow name, opportunity changed. In pipeline, adds pipeline. You guys can actually just copy this, pause the video, we'll look up opportunity changed in the triggers. You're going to be able to see the option. The second trigger is contact created, just in case people text us on Facebook or Instagram. And the third is our actual Facebook form. If you guys want to see exactly how to build the Facebook form, click on this video right above me. It shows you exactly how to make that campaign. Pages, form has all of our forms here. And then after a contact's created, an opportunity gets changed, or a Facebook lead is submitted, it's going to add a tag. So the first tag we have is lead new, right? The second tag it's going to add is AI okay. This is going to tell the AI it's okay to talk to them. And the third one we have is create or update opportunity to Facebook lead ads, new lead. And then we have the conditions here. So the conditions we have here is best data. So when we created the contact, if we got their model information and which service they want, this branch is actually going to bring them down here, and it's going to say, hey Amanda, we got your submission about interior detailing for your Honda. Do you want the soonest slot, a quick price range, or more information? Our second branch is just the model. So for just the model, it's going to say, hey John, we got your form submission for your Honda. Do you want the soonest slot, a quick price range, or more information? The third branch is just the conversation summary. And the fourth branch is if it literally has no information whatsoever. So guys, I'm super extra. I wanted it to be perfect for every single option, but you guys can just do one simple one if you want to do that's very general like this. So it basically says, hey, contact first name, it's Matrix Detailing, still interested in getting your car detailed. Gonna wait about 1 hour, and it's only gonna reply during business hours, so 9:30 to 8 p.m. You guys can set it like this too if you don't want to text people at like 3 a.m. The AI can get annoying if you have it like open to text people like super late at night or anything like that. And then you're gonna go here to the second message, want me to send times, prices, or more information. And then it's gonna wait about a day, and then it's going to say grab 10% off if you book this week. Want me to set it up? And if they don't actually respond, it's going to remove all tags and add a tag called lost. And we also have another workflow called a no-show revival that's actually going to revive all of these leads that we actually lose. As soon as somebody responds, they actually get catched by this workflow called the reply catcher. So if somebody responds to any of those messages, boom, they say, hey, yeah, I'm looking to get my car detailed, or they say no. If they have the tag lead new and they don't have the tag booked, it's actually going to take them out of that workflow and put them into this workflow. And this workflow has the tag replied. That means it replied, so the actual conversation AI could start. The conversation AI doesn't actually activate unless you guys receive a message. So you can't just get somebody to sign a Facebook form and then the AI just starts talking to them. No, that whole workflow you guys just witnessed was just so we can get them to respond and get the AI to start talking to them. And then once it says replied, boom, the AI takes over and it goes into this pipeline stage called engaged. If you guys want to learn a lot more, just type it in the comment. I'll give you guys a full tutorial if you need on whatever you guys need. But this is just a general video on how I set up conversation AI in GHL.